Hello, my dear students. Today we continue again the same chapter from testing to digesting. Previously, we are already discussed so many things from this chapter. Like previous topic, previous video, we already gotten ideas about Dr. Aparna two patients, that is Rashmi and Kailas. We already get an ideas about junk foods and healthy foods and what was the benefits of eating the healthy foods. Understood, students? So today I need to discuss more about from this chapter. So please listen very carefully. Understood, students? So say students, before starting the topics from this chapter, I need to ask one thing that do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day? And what are the reason for this? Yes, you know very well. Okay. So the reason is that they belong to poor family who live in a nearby slum. Understood? So they are too poor to afford a proper meal in a day. Understood, students? So that type of children is too poor and they to afford a proper meal in a day. So today is our topic of discussion is about that one only. So very properly you listen all the things. Okay. And one thing again ask, have you ever seen a godown where a lot of grains have been stored? Where? Obviously you are seeing a lot of godowns. Okay. It's nearby your places. So many markets, malls are there, which is fully occupied all the things. Okay. In so many, if you see the big basket market more, okay, a lot of things is occupied, but the poor peoples are still hungry. Okay, students, so coming to the points, today's topic is students, that is our topic. We need to discuss today about the Gomti. See, Gomti is 30 years old. How many years? 30 years old. So Gomti walks in the field of a rich farmer. Okay, students, for all her hard works, she doing a lot of hard works. For all her hard works, she gets paid very little. Understood, student? So little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Understood, students? So little money. Understood? So some months she does not get any work at all. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. Very much critical conditions, see, students. So Gomti childrens are weak with hungers and always sick. Understood, students? So few years ago, her husband died of hunger. A very critical situation, the hunger. So see, students, most rice grows in Kalahandi district. See the very properly Kalahandi district in the map. Okay, the rice is even sent to other state from here. So Kalahandi district is very popular. Most rice is grown there. And Gomti is 30 years old and she works in the field of rich farmers. For all her hard work, she does get paid very little. Understood, students? Even though she's doing a hard work on the field, okay, but but she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. She cultivate rice means she is doing rice cultivations, but what happens? She cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Okay, so students, many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. Very critical conditions, students. The rice that keeps lying in the godowns get spoiled. Okay, the thing is that food is get spoiled, but it is not distributed to the peoples. Okay, so in the same Kalahandi, there are many poor peoples like Gomti. So very see here, why do people die of hunger in such a place? So my point of discussion of today, this thing only, that unequal food distribution, students. See, Gomti is so hardworking, but she doesn't get the proper meal. Very, and her husband also died because of hunger. So today's full market is occupied with various foods. If you go to the mall nearby you, see, you can see more big basket. Lot of malls are there where you can observe so many foods are there, which is kept stored. But see why the peoples like Gomti is not getting that type of foods. Why their husband die? So students, so every day, too many men and women across the globe struggle for feed their children a nutritional meal. So in a world where we produce enough food to feed everyone's, 815 million people, one in nine, still go to bed on an empty stomach each night. What a condition, say students. So millions of peoples, before see the proper estimation, millions of peoples are there, still go to bed on an empty stomach each night. The millions of peoples who get the foods, okay, and while the others not getting the foods, okay, and even more suffer from of malnutrition. Okay, students. So, see, unequal distributions of the food is a situation where available resources are not distributed evenly among the populations. As you see, food is stored in the market, but it is not distributed among the. So, students, unequal food distribution is an issue which is directly affected by the uneven distribution of wealth amongst global populations. So, it- see, millions are not provided with adequate amount of food, while other students have so much that obesity become an issue. Okay, so if you see around 1.02 billion people are suffering from chronic hungers, while obesity rates are constantly rising in others country, over 12 million peoples. Understood? So students, my point is that why is just like that, why Gomti is not getting Gomti like people's who is suffering from, and their child suffering from problem of hungers. Okay, and if you see the food if you see the godown is fully occupied with the foods, and few people will not get, and few people is suffering from obesity, so many foods are there. My point is that why the supply is stopped, why they not given to the poor peoples. So students, my thing is that uh, see, according to the Indian philosophy, food is equals to God. Understood, students? But we are giving the same amount of respect to food these days. Is it? We are giving? Frankly, most of us do not. We fail to remember that millions of poor people are dying in hungers when millions of tons of foods is being thrown away and wasted for no good reasons. So wasting food is not good for anyone in any way. It is harmful to the economy. It is harmful to the environments, and also it is against our own ethical justifications. Scenes as the parties gathering and get-togethers have become very pathetic, students. The evil of wasting foods has even crept into our house these days. The food that goes into the waste baskets after every meal from a home is enough to feed at least one hungry person. Yes, dear students, even a single grains of food is too precious to waste. So let's us start a silent revolution from our homes to stop wastage of food, so that we can feed the poor peoples also by ourselves. We can try, if we try from our sides. Also, let us resort to teach others about the crime of wasting foods during parties and celebrations. Right, students? Gandhiji once told that if God were to appear to the millions of hungry people, it would be in the form of food. Students, it would be in the form of food. So please don't waste food, and at least feed one people's, at least one hungry persons. Understood, students? If things are going wrong, we have to put them on the right track. Understood, students? So say various non-governmental organizations, NGOs, okay, they are play an important role. They provide service to society through community development, welfare work. Okay, so what they identifies localities where people are hungry and help them to help them, obviously, and they distribute the foods everywhere. So see, Rise Against Hunger is one of our organizations. India is a hunger relief organizations that distributes foods and life challenging aid to the world's most vulnerable, mobilizing the energy necessary resources to end hunger. So students, as you get an ideas about Gomti struggle for lives, how she struggle in her full lives, she works very hard in the field of a rich farmer, and she get paid very little, and even so little that she cannot buy no, buy rice for to feed her family. Understood, students? So not at all Gomti. Her husband, she lose her husband, and Gomti child is very weak, and weak with hungers. Okay, because of and always sick. Understood, students? So, like Gomti, many people nowadays also are there who sleep many nights without foods. So, their children's also very weak because in unavailability of proper food. So students, being a responsible persons, being a responsible persons, we should stop wasting of food. Understood, students? So we should um, even a single grain of a food is too precious to waste. So we should have own silent revolutions from our homes to stop wastage of the foods. Understood, student? So please don't waste food and help the poor. Okay. So if suppose a thing is going wrong, so we have to put them on the right track. It is our duty. Understood, student? So thank you, everybody. I hope you get a lot of ideas from this chapter, and take cares and revise the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.